studio, and today we're going to be doing a technique exercise that involves heel-toe crawls and just keeping your sounds nice and even. This actually came as part of a request. I had a song request for My Ordinary Life. I said that right? My Ordinary Life by Living Tombstone. This was not only a song request by some of you here on YouTube, but also my students in class. This song is apparently huge. So they asked for it, and I listened to it, and as much as I wanted to do a choreography tutorial to it, I really felt like it fit more as a technique exercise. So I made up a really, really cute and really fun technique exercise that helps you learn even sounds, keeping your weight in the right place, and just practice your heel-toe crawls and timing. And it's set to this song. I did find a cover of it so that it would be okay to use on this channel, and I hope you guys enjoy it. This is all levels, but the speed that we're gonna do it at is a little bit more intermediate advanced, but learn the steps, and then if you want, use a different song or slow down the song and do it at any level, at any tempo you want. Sound good? All right, so like I said, it's heels and toes and paradiddles, so nothing too fancy, but the rhythm and the evenness of sound is really where it's gonna be tricky. So it starts with heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe. So it starts with the right heel. Heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe. Now this foot's gonna kind of like slide out just a little bit. Heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe. This foot doesn't make any sound when it does that, but you wanna make sure that it's in a position where you can use the heel. You're gonna go left side. Heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe. So it's a little awkward, but it's great for coordination. So it goes right foot. Heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe. So don't use that heel too far, the one right before your last toe. Heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel. I'm more parallel. Toe. Then this heel comes. Heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe. Again, I'm a little bit more parallel with this foot so that I can still use it. So let's try it right and then left. Ready? Heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe. Heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe. 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe. Heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe. Watch that last heel so that it's not too turned in. Ready? Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe. Heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe. Good. Let's go a little faster. Heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe. Heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe. Heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe. Good. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe. Heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe. Good. Fantastic. Then your right foot is free. You have paradiddle, paradiddle, double paradiddle, stand. Yes, sorry. 5 and 6. 5 and 6 and 7. Sorry, I mixed up my right and left. So that last part is 2 paradiddles and a double paradiddle and a stamp. 1, 2. The double paradiddle is just dig, spank, step, heel. So you just add an extra dig, spank to it. And then stamp. So just the last part. Paradiddle, paradiddle, double paradiddle, stamp. 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Let's add that to the heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe. Ready? Not too fast. Heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe. 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe. Heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe. Paradiddle, paradiddle, double paradiddle. So remember, using your right foot to put weight on that left toe. Ready? One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe. Heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe. Okay, on that last stamp, I do need to say, put it next to it, not in front of it. If I don't read ahead, I don't know how to prepare for it. So let's do it one more time, but this time when you do the paradiddle stamp, put it next to your foot, not in front of it. You won't be able to go back into it if you do. So let's go from heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe. Heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe. Paradiddle, paradiddle, double, paradiddle, step. Right next to it. Why, you ask? Good question, because you're going to do it again. Heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe. Heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe. And then this time the break is paradiddle, paradiddle, shuffle, shuffle, stamp. So shuffle, shuffle, stamp. Let's do the whole foot, okay? So you just did 1, 2, shuffle, shuffle, step. Make sure you have room on this side of your board, because the next part, it goes right into left. Okay? But let's not worry about left yet. Let's keep doing right. My computer fell asleep, sorry. All right, so we have, start in the center of your board. Let's do that. Right side, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe. Heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe. Paradiddle, 2, double paradiddle, stamp. Then you'll go again. Heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe. Heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe. Paradiddle, paradiddle, shuffle, shuffle, step. Let's try the right side. Try to end up in the center of your floor. Let's do it. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Double paradiddle, stamp. Hold it. Good. Now let's try it on the left. It's the same thing, you're just starting in a different place. You're starting going to the left first, but you're doing everything exactly the same. So don't psych yourself out is all I'm saying. So starting with the left heel. Heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe. Heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe. So you want to end up with your left foot free at the end of that. So it's left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay? Just that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Good. One more time, a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Good. The last part of it is exactly the same. Paradiddle, paradiddle, double paradiddle, stamp. Making sure you stamp right next to it, and then you will start again. And then that other last part, paradiddle, paradiddle, shuffle, shuffle, step. So it's exactly the same, you just have to switch legs. So let's try the left from the top, then we'll put it all together, then we'll try it with music. Hello, Bento. Nice to see you. He hasn't interrupted any of my videos today so far. Tell him right now. Okay, so let's go ahead and try it. Right and then left. We'll take it a little slow. I think I slowed the song down to like 80% because it's very fast. So we'll try it slow first, and then if we feel a little adventurous, we'll take it up a notch. But let's go ahead and try it without music. So go heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe. Heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe. Ready? Starting with the right heel. 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe. Heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe. Paradiddle, paradiddle, double paradiddle, stamp. Heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe. Paradiddle, paradiddle, shuffle, shuffle, step. Left side. Also, sorry if there's ambient noise. Bento had to go outside. Just had to. And I have to leave the door open in case he has to come back. So anyway, let's go ahead and try that with music and see what happens. I think that's about the tempo I have it at.
at me. I'm spitting tracks, catch me.
Not bad at all. So like it's fast. It is a little fast. I don't think I'll speed it up for the purposes of this video, but it is a little fast, but it's gonna be so good for practice. All right, let's try it again and see if we can make it just a little bit better.
I'm spitting tracks, catch.
Okay, I'm feeling adventurous. We're gonna try to turn it up just 10%. So let's go to 90 and see what happens. Again, this is just for fun. So like, if it goes badly, go back to 80 and then you're good. Or like, you know, go to any tempo that works for you. But just for funsies, together, let's try this. It's not that bad. It's really not that bad. Yeah, we got this. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8.
They tell me keep it simple, I tell them take it slow. I keep it wondering ideas, so I let it grow. I tell them take it easy, they laugh and tell me no. It's true, but I don't even rap it down on me though. They spitting facts at me, I'm spitting tracks, catch me. I spit.
Just for funsies, we wanna go 100%? Let's go 100%. Oh, I'm so excited. I really like this one. I cannot wait to bring it to all of my classes this week. Super excited about it. Oh, it feels good to do, you know? All right, last time, let's try it at normal tempo. What's the worst that happens? Right? I'm nervous. It's not that bad. Oh, okay. All right, we got this. Do it. 5, 6, 7, 8.
They tell me keep it simple, I tell them take it slow. I keep it wondering ideas, so I let it grow. I tell them take it easy, they laugh and tell me no. It's true, but I don't even rap it down on me though. They spitting facts at me, I'm spitting tracks, catch me. I'm spitting.
I was nervous. All right, well, I hope you guys had a fantastic time with this technique exercise. Sorry about the ambient noise. Bento gets what Bento wants. This was a lot of fun. A very interesting one for sure, but a lot of fun. I always have fun making these technique tutorials for you, and when you guys suggest songs that might fit a technique exercise, I'm always down to use like an actual song that you guys know for these. So hopefully this was super enjoyable and helped you learn a lot. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the TAP fam. We've got tons of technique exercises like this, but also choreography tutorials and step tutorials and challenges and vlogs and all kinds of tap dance related stuff. This is your YouTube tap studio and I am your YouTube tap dance teacher. But also don't forget to hit the thumbs up because this was really fun. Hit the thumbs up because it also helps other tap dancers find this channel. And what better than to spread the love of free tap dance class with other tap dancers, right? So hopefully you guys had a blast with me just like I did with you. And as always, thank you for dancing with me. Ambient noise.